We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. When should I do credit repair? If you're wondering when you should do credit repair, the answer is it's never too late to start. Credit repair can help you improve your credit score and make it easier to get approved for loans and credit cards. Here are a few signs that it might be a good time for you to start credit repair. You're having trouble getting approved for loans or credit cards. If you're consistently being denied for credit or loans, it could be because of your credit score. Credit repair can help you improve your score and increase your chances of getting approved. You're paying high interest rates. If you have a low credit score, you might be paying higher interest rates on loans and credit cards. Credit repair can help you lower your interest rates and save money in the long run. You have a lot of debt. If you have a lot of debt and are struggling to pay it off, credit repair can help you negotiate lower interest rates and better repayment terms. You're planning a major purchase. If you're planning a major purchase like a house or a car, it's a good idea to start credit repair as soon as possible. A higher credit score can help you get approved for a loan and get a better interest rate. Remember, it's never too late to start credit repair. Whether you're dealing with a low credit score or just want to improve your financial health, it's worth taking the time to work on your credit. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.